All right, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. Today we're going to do the drawing for the last 5 of the SIVSIS grease funnel. We're just going to do this quick and easy. You don't have to watch any of my videos from a vacation because I've just been home working on my house. So anyway, tried a new social media picker today, so bear with me. We'll get through this. And the winners will have to email me at kevin@mankitchenrecipes.com, and let's get this going. So I've already got the video loaded. Let me check this box. Okay, let's see. No, start picking the winners. Continue. Let's see, number of winners, not one. We're gonna add 5 winners. Oh, not 15. 5 winners. Okay, we're not going to include replies. Let me uncheck that. Remove duplicates. And let's see, we're going to do the text filter. We're going to enter SIVSIS. Okay. And I had to enter it again. It didn't save. There we go. SIVSIS. Pick a winner. There it is. Okay, let's pick a winner. Okay, look at that. We got Tim Dillard, Lorraine 1961, Brian Bond, Ray Diaz, and Zeb Allgood. All right, congratulations, you guys. I think you'll like this grease funnel. Like I said, the only thing for me is when I scrape the stuff off, you have to move it to the side instead of pushing it out the back. So other than that, it works great. Now, just send me an email to kevin@ManKitchenRecipes with your name, address, and phone number, and SIVSIS will send you the grease funnel. They are currently out of stock, he told me, but within a month, you'll probably get it. Thanks again, and congratulations.